No, I have a love-hate relationship with condensed milk, you know. So good, but so bad. You tell me when, because I'm frightened here.
Pour with confidence.
I don't want to over-sweeten it, you know.
No. Go ahead.
Wow. Okay, my friend. Sorry. Hi guys, Arlene is back in the kitchen today for good old oatmeal porridge. So let's get cooking. Arlene, the kitchen is smelling. It is smelling amazing already, and we didn't start anything.
We start a little something.
What's a little something,
a
friend?
little something. So this is a nice smell for first thing in the morning or late at night, because I think oat porridge is good in the morning and even at night.
Really and truly, it's just like that nice, comforting food.
Yes.
That reminds you of home, of your granny, of your favorite aunt, your godmother that you love so much. This is for them.
Yes. So we did start something.
Yeah.
So I have here a pot of boiling water, and I have been boiling cinnamon and bay leaf in here.
That smell is incredible, honestly.
Right, and you see how the water already takes some color from the two spices?
Yes.
We're ready.
Okay, so wait, before we go forward, how long was this boiling for?
10 minutes.
Okay, got it.
10 minutes, all right. So we're just going to add our oats here.
Okay, straight in.
Straight in. We're going to cook this on a nice low fire because you want the oats to cook and you want this to thicken up a little bit.
Okay.
So you see how thin it is here?
Yeah.
Right? So we're just going to let it cook for another little 5-10 minutes until it becomes thick.
And of course, it's going to infuse with that great cinnamon and bay leaf flavor.
So the reason why I did the spices first is to kind of flavor the water.
Okay.
So that when you add the oats and the oats take in the water.
Wow. So you a chef. You know what she knows what she's doing, guys. She knows.
Most days.
Most days. So about 5 minutes and we'll check back?
Yes.
All right. Okay, I see what you were saying. Definitely much thicker than before.
Yes. So once we get this consistency, I like to put a little pinch of salt.
Okay.
Right. And then you would be helpful in putting in the rest.
Yes. Okay, so do I start this what? Cinnamon?
You could just, in any order.
Okay.
Right.
So
So this is some grated nutmeg.
Oh, this is nutmeg. Okay. All this nutmeg? You're nutmegging?
Right there, good.
One scoop? Okay. Sure.
And
What
this
do
is
we have
some
here?
bitters and mixed essence.
All right.
Right.
Flavoring it up.
Condensed milk. I have the little spatula on the side so you could make sure and get.
I have such a love.
Don't eat none of it.
No, I have a love-hate relationship with condensed milk, you know. So good, but so bad.
I know.
You tell me when, because I'm frightened here.
Pour with confidence.
I don't want to over-sweeten it, you know.
No. Go ahead.
Wow. Okay, my friend. Sorry, I was moving
Of course,
shy.
with regards to the sweetness, this again, you can
It's the
make
taste.
your adjustments.
It is to taste,
Yes.
for sure.
But I like mine's a little sweet.
Got it.
And apparently you like.
No, I really
So we
like
make it.
condensed
Don't
milk.
forget
So
it's
yummy.
oat porridge, not condensed.
Not condensed milk porridge.
Yes.
Okay.
So give me some evaporated milk.
Sure. Going in with all of this as well.
Cool. Perfect.
Nice.
Right, so everybody's preference to thickness is different. Some people
course.
like it where you can just drink it. Some people want to spoon it, and this is where you would have to cook it a little longer.
Right.
Or you can just let this come up to a little boil, and then you shut it off. So at this point, this is really just how you prefer your porridge.
Okay. So how do you prefer? How are we having it today?
I
following
like
you.
mine to drink.
Okay.
To
So
drink.
we'll be drinking this porridge shortly.
Yes, yes. So
All
we're
right,
going
my
to
friend.
let this cook up a little more. And all you have to do if you want it thinner consistency or less sweet, just put a little less of the condensed milk.
Of course.
Or you can use your little substitute sweeteners, whatever, you know. You have a little option here. Or you can just add a little more water. If you find after a while it cooks and it's too thick, you just add a
Right.
little water and you come
Right.
up with your perfect consistency for yourself.
Okay. So
Right, so we'll just let this cook for a little bit.
yeah.
And then organize the cups.
I was now going to say let's grab the cups. These are the perfect cups for this porridge. I mean,
glad you
so
think so.
cute, guys. Oh, we tasting. Cheers. Is this hot? Should I blow?
You should blow. You should blow a little. Good.
So good.
Sweet enough?
It's not too sweet, you know. I was a little bit worried with the condensed milk. Oh, but this is perfect. And that nice cinnamon flavor is the first thing that hits your mouth.
The nutmeg flavor is my favorite. I think that nutmeg with the nutmeg and milk to me is just perfect.
Yeah, this is such a nice, comforting, like I said before, comforting treat. Breakfast, lunch, dinner, however, whenever.
Rainy days.
Oh, yes.
Rainy days.
We may need a little bigger cup next time, though. Just a little bit bigger.
Well, I wasn't sure, you know. Sometimes when you drink a little porridge, you might fall asleep. Now, I don't know if you have something to do after.
No, that's what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to relax. But guys,
Bigger cups next time for sure.
be sure to tell us what you like in your porridge. Like, what's your family, your mommy, your auntie, your nanny, your nana, and whoever? What is your recipe for porridge? And of course, let us know if you take it in bigger cups than this. You know. Oh, this is good. This is a good one. We're gonna finish these off.
Of course.
Until next time, guys. Bye-bye.
Bye.